always makes me feel good when I have somebody young standing next to me because I think I'm younger than he is. But we're working on a Bronco here that we are putting a Coyote motor in. We've already pre-fitted it once, and then we came back and painted the frame, and I want you to see how nice this frame looks. We put some gussets back here, and we put some extra strength right here. We've redone all of the parts on the frame, strengthened it all up, put a lift kit on it, put all the suspension, all the axles, all the steering on it, and now we're ready to lift in the Coyote motor, which Tristan here is going to do one-handed. He's going to pick it up and set it in there. Right, Tristan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's our next step, to do that and the transmission and get the driveline in there, and then the next thing we'll do is set the body on it. This is an ongoing project. I hope that if you have questions about this, if there's any way we can help you with it, why, give us an email here at wilsonauto.com or message me on the YouTube, and please subscribe.